How many wind-up flashlights would it take to light up Mount Rushmore? Stick around for the gloriously dim answer. All right, picture this. You're hiking near Mount Rushmore at dusk, staring up at the giant faces of America's founding presidents. But instead of spotlights and stage lighting, you've brought a very unconventional tool, a single wind-up flashlight. Then a question hits you. How many of these would I need to light up the whole monument? Let's break this down, one cranked-up beam at a time. Mount Rushmore is massive. The carved faces stretch across about 50,000 square feet of rock. To properly illuminate something that big and craggy, you'd need at least 20 lumens per square foot. That's the amount of brightness you'd want just to see it clearly at night. Now let's talk wind-up flashlights. These humble little gadgets are great in an emergency, but they're not exactly spotlights. Your average wind-up flashlight only pumps out about 15 lumens, which is roughly enough to light a closet, a small one. Now for the math. If we multiply 50,000 square feet by 20 lumens per square foot, that's a whopping 1 million lumens needed to light up the monument. Divide that by 15 lumens per flashlight, and we get 66,667 wind-up flashlights. That's right, you'd need nearly 67,000 of these hand-cranked beams just to give Mount Rushmore a decent nighttime glow. For perspective, if one person could hold 4 flashlights, it would take a crowd the size of a small stadium just to aim them properly. If you cranked every flashlight for the full 1 minute needed to reach full brightness, that's over 46 straight days of cranking. And let's be real, by the time you got halfway through, the first flashlights would have already started fading. So, unless you've got an army of flashlight-wielding hikers, extremely toned arms, and an irrational fear of modern electricity, this is one national landmark that's probably staying in the dark. But hey, at least now you have a fun fact to share next time someone pulls out a wind-up flashlight in the middle of nowhere. Follow for more ridiculous calculations and let me know in the comments. What would you try to light up with 66,000 flashlights?